Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Can you edit an email after you've already sent it in Outlook? The short answer is no, not directly. Once you hit send, that email leaves your outbox and is delivered to the recipient's inbox. It's like sending a physical letter. You can't magically pull it back and rewrite it once it's in the mail system. However, Outlook offers a feature called Recall This Message that can sometimes help, though it's not a guaranteed edit. To attempt a recall, open your Sent Items folder. Double-click the email you want to recall to open it in a new window. Look for the Message tab, then find the Actions group, and click Recall This Message. You'll have two options: delete unread copies of this message, or delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Choosing the Replace option lets you write a corrected email. For recall to even have a chance of working, several conditions must be met. Both you and the recipient need to be using Outlook. You both usually need to be on the same Exchange server, which often means you're in the same organization. Most importantly, the recipient must not have opened the email yet. Their Outlook also needs to be online when the recall attempt arrives. If they've already read it, or if they use a different email system, the recall will fail. Because of these strict conditions and the low success rate, the most reliable way to correct a sent email is to simply send a new, corrected email. Start the subject line with correction or update to make it clear. Apologize briefly for the error and provide the correct information. It's a straightforward and effective approach.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.